When fabricating removable partial dentures, a technician transfers the dentist design from the diagnostic cast to the master cast. Surveying the master cast is performed by using a surveyor to identify the undesirable tooth and soft tissue undercuts. The undercuts are blocked out with a wax or modeling clay. Beading line is ground with a carbide burr to later prevent food from getting trapped under the framework. Design of the removable partial denture is defined on the master cast. Waxing the removable partial denture framework starts with waxing a major connector with the tissue stop. A major connector joins the two sides of removable partial dentures and distributes some of the stress from chewing on one side to structures on the opposite side. A rigid major connector must unite retentive components such as clasps, otherwise retentive components do not perform as intended. Major connection tissue stops are carefully designed, defined, sealed, and smooth. Next, minor connector is attached, waxed and smooth. Its function is to join a major connector to clasp assembly rests. A clasp assembly consists of a clasp, rest, and minor connector. According to the seats that clasp assembly rests occupy, there are incisal, lingual, and occlusal clasp assembly rests. In this case, mesial and distal occlusal rest seats were prepared by the dentist and designed and waxed as part of the framework. When completed, minor connector and occlusal rest seats are adjusted and smoothed. Design of the embrasure clasp would follow next. This clasp assembly consists of two circumferential clasp joined at their bodies and a single minor connector. The assembly passes between two adjacent natural teeth. As the final step of design and waxing, all components of a removable partial denture framework have to be smooth with no sharp edges present. Here we have an example of a different removable partial denture framework design. The wax pattern includes horseshoe design with struts and mesh for retention of acrylic material. When the framework is completed and smooth, a torch with denatured alcohol is utilized to give it a final finish. The removable partial denture framework pattern is now finished and ready for the next step of fabrication.